There's so many trees in there.
Are you getting your exercise in, Andy?
I'm only small.
Yeah, the small ones pack a punch though, normally.
Daddy, one's gone as well.
Oh yeah. That bloody light.
That bloody lights come back on it.
Right, come here.
You got them, haven't you?
Yeah, I'm getting them, yeah.
Need to get that tree down sometime, John.
I suggest dynamite, fireworks.
Fireworks, yeah.
Fireworks.
Send a rocket in a bed.
Send a rocket. Yeah.
Can't do that because the bird's nest in it.
There you go. They put sparkly ones here.
Yeah, very nice. And they're not noisy.
And the big noisy ones are after.
I thought you didn't get noisy ones.
Yeah. The last box are not high noise.
You told me that none of them was noisy.
Oh, if that's the case, I'll go in when the noisy
You
ones.
little I said to him, are they noisy? He goes, no, it's all their noise.
Not all that noise.
You're not even funny, Andrew.
Can't have a higher bonfire night. Bang bang.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't.
You can.
Try these big ones, got these things there.
Oh, God. Whew.
Sounds like onions.
What? The fireworks smells like onions.
Gunpowder, man.
Yeah, it does. It does smell like onions over here.
Gunpowder. You don't got to smell it, do
I can smell it.
I can smell the gunpowder.
Mm.
Smells like onions to me. Right, this way. Holes make him up.
It'll make him up.
you?
Can you take a photograph of them too, please?
Drifting over here, I can smell it.
Just go to the end of the path to do it.
Yeah, I can smell it now, Jess. It's drifting over here.
Might as well flash them.
Stale
Now they're
onions.
in the dark.
Smells like stale onions.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's gunpowder when it's damp.
Do that, but...
Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah.
What they say.
You need to learn to calm down and stop panicking. Just for John.
Yes, got it. Oh no, it's not a video.
Look out, chaps, look out. All right, see, these puppy ones, right, okay. Karen, puppy ones. That it?
I like the low noise ones.
They're not all no noise, mother.
Oh!
He's having your spirits now.
You said the was.
Can I go in when the noisy ones come?
You cowards, Barry, you're stepping out here with me, are you?
I can sneak in because he's too busy doing that, sir.
There you go. Pop one.
Traffic lights.
Traffic lights, yeah.
Oh, you get free. That's pathetic.
No. They're crap.
Who are these two diddy ones?
Something like that, Karen.
What is it? Hello, Jack.
That's Mikey and Andrew from where I've been stuck.
Oh, it's good there.
This phone, I've noticed like they've got loads of things on.
Karen, look at it.
And you sent me that one.
I love this phone.
Well,
Literally.
how did you
One
get
chair,
a
man.
phone?
This one, we use. You're on contract, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the
I
problem.
did get one, but Andy's ass cracked in the way.
It like showed his ass.
Don't worry about it.
Get out of the way,
Mickey
Andrew.
Mouse, get out the way!
Andy said you both. I can't do both, man.
No, unless you've got a bloody long stick!
I know.
Hi, John.
Hello!
Hello!
Hi, Chris.
Hang on, Kelly. Hang on, Jeff.
Peanuts, it's on.
Hang on, wait.
Alright, wait a minute. Hiya.
Shaking, I'm getting too excited.
Now, you want tonight?